Highly desirable Grant model townhome offering an open floor plan. Main level features a spacious living room and dining room with sliding glass doors to balcony. Updated kitchen boasts white cabinets, granite counters and all appliances. Main level offers a loft which makes it larger than most Grant models and can be used as an office area. Second level has 2 spacious bedrooms each with private bathroom plus cathedral ceiling in master. Skylight allows for plenty of natural light. Convenient to expressways and Boomer Stadium. Walk to train. Great neighborhood. Come take a look.